You're pretty when I'm drunk.
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 And I'm pretty fucking drunk.
Hey guys, Sunday, everybody's favorite day of the week, unless you work weekends or you're heffe. First, quick quiz. What's missing from this picture? Yeah, that's right, Christine's video. Firearm channel, copyright infringement, you lose. Cheers, everybody. Oh, I don't know. Oh, this is one of the damaged cans. Yeah, see, there's this dent right there. I just couldn't see the possibility of somebody getting a bad can of beer, so yeah, I want to thank everybody that that helped out. As a group, I don't honestly think up until this moment in time that as many people have band together, and I know there's people out there that say don't feed the trolls, but I'm sorry, it's not in my nature to see bad things happening by useless little weasels and think that they can get away with it. So, not to mention, once again, it's always nice to have friends. So, I'm just going to leave it at that for right now. What are we looking at today? Well, we're looking at Harviestoun's Old Engine Oil, Engineer's Reserve. This is a black ale, and it is 9% by volume. And the cap looks something like that. Oh, little scrawny defeated mouse. Defeated. And Steve, I have to thank you. This is just, you know, it's one of my favorite bottle openers right now, because not only is it a gun part, it's still a fully functional gun part that does that. I did, in case, you know, because I was whining the last time that I didn't know where that went. Well, I actually had this little belt pouch. Yeah, you know, you gotta, you know, carry around a bottle opener in case you're at Walmart and want to start drinking and need a way to open them. Another successful pour. Well, can't have that. That's Ballast Point. Okay, so as we speak, just got done making up 2 batches of chili. One of them for them and one of them for me. My good friend Greg, the person that I torture, you know, 6 days a week for 9 or 9.5 hours a day. He grows his own peppers, and he gave me some jalapenos and a mystery pepper. I thought it was a German hot wax, but the jalapeno had a good taste, but it didn't really have much heat behind it. But the other ones, they had some good heat behind them. So I put 4 jalapenos and 3 of those in my batch of chili, and probably be diving into that right after this. And I'm going to open up another one of those habanero Ballast Points, the Sculpin habanero that Gunny sent me. Gunny J. So I gotta pick up, man. I just I've been working, you know, behind the scenes right over there. That's where That's where Miguel Gonzalez Firearms and Chris Alone with Company will be sleeping in one bed, and then I have another one, and I'm not sure who's all going to be there. But coming up on it, next week is the last week, and then the following Monday, the boys start to arrive. So looking forward to Monday night. Me and STL Ray Edwards will be doing a little barbecue, a little fire pit, and we'll have the place to ourselves. So as you saw there, this is very dark. It looks like old engine oil. Not a lot of carbonation. Gave it a fairly aggressive pour. It is kind of high on the alcohol, so that could have knocked it down, but not always the case. It has a that kind of the typical porter, kind of a heavy, big fruit kind of smell. Getting a lot of chocolate with this one. But I don't intend on doing that. I'm gonna drink it. So cheers, guys. Overall, it's been a sorry for the interruption. Sorry about that. That was actually somebody calling interested in Samantha's truck, which pretty much anybody's interested in Samantha's truck until they hear that it's the same price as a small house. Okay, apologize. I think we were about to drink this. Okay, so cheers, everybody. Hope you're enjoying your Sunday. Wow. That is just chock full of flavor. Oh, I'm sorry. Definitely not missing on the chocolate. That is right there up front. It has a medium mouthfeel that you get right away with a sweetness up front, and then you actually get a little bit of the alcohol warning. There's alcohol in here. The alcohol warming, kind of right in the very beginning. And then right on the tails of that, you're getting the chocolate, like cocoa. Behind that is the roasted malts. I've never actually done like the research on Harviestoun to see what else they have in their lineup other than the stuff that I've had. But wow, this is a brewery that really puts a lot of quality into their brews. Incredibly smooth. 9%, yeah, we know that. 3 hop varieties. Slightly burnt roasted coffee character. Well, you sort of notice the coffee definitely isn't the upfront flavor in this. It's got a cool kind of complexity. It starts off with that heavy, almost a syrupy like sweetness. JR10 Desert Gold. Still gotta watch your video. Man, this weekend has just sucked. not to mention I'm in panic mode because, you know, it's like I've been working and trying to get stuff taken care of, and now I need to make sure I get accommodations for my extended family. I digress. The I may or may not have some items floating around helping with my pinched nerve in my back too, which works out well with this kind of stuff. But up front, you get that almost like a syrupy sweetness, and it seems like it's going to go in the direction of heffe, big fruit. And then all of a sudden the cocoa and the chocolate kind of pours on. I have to say though that coffee is kind of really in the background to all that. And that sweetness, even though you're picking up on the chocolate, is not entirely based in chocolate as its form of making it sweet. Just in case he has to go take a nap, JR10, if you want to head out, because I know you older people need to nap often, so you can like write this down. I highly recommend this one for you if you haven't already had it. Sweet, chocolatey, 9%. Shit, what's not to like about it? Wow, it's really good. On the E scale, Old Engine Oil Engineer's Reserve Black Ale from Harviestoun. This is a 10. This is really good. What should we look at tomorrow? Still got some stuff from Bulwark. Got a couple bottles from Mario. Got some stuff from New York Half-Ass Prepper. Let's do Saranac Legacy IPA. Those little, I don't know, would those be considered angels or whatever, paying homage to an IPA? Let's see, 6.5% by volume by your chili head. And if he sent me this and I'm able to pronounce it, means it's probably from New York. Wow. IPA. Yeah, I'm not seeing where this one is even from. Oh yeah, well, let's look at this one tomorrow. It's a big can, that's pretty much why I picked it. It's Monday. By the time you get through a Monday, you just need a little alcohol, I'm saying. Okay, so let's look at that tomorrow. I guess that's 2 in a row from New York Half-Ass Prepper. So, yeah, this was really good. Thank you, New York Half-Ass Prepper. I'm going to go finish this and that, and then open up a Ballast Point Sculpin habanero to go along with my zesty chili. And again, I really want to say thank you for everybody that's shown support. And I'm sorry, sometimes you just can't let things go, and I don't think you should have to. I don't really think that if some 2-year-old asshole wants to throw a punch at you, that you should necessarily have to take a fall. And I'm not. And more and more information just seems to keep coming out. So if this particular group doesn't want to let it go, then I guess we can play it their way. Okay, well, guess that's all I have for you. I will hopefully see you tomorrow. I'm going to go try some chili, and I hope you guys have a great Sunday and a better Monday until we meet back here again. So, who could that be? Ooh, it's Johnny Watson. And speak of the devil, my buddy Greg, who provided the said peppers for the chili. Johnny's having brisket tacos. Okay. And, Dos Equis? Dos Equis. Yes. Looking good, Johnny. Looking real good. Okay, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.